What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, I'm Kayla, and welcome to today's video, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are in Barbados. This video is gonna be a full day of eating / day in my life while I'm here on this like gorgeous resort. It's an all-inclusive resort. I already had breakfast. I had to try to keep it like mindful of what I'm eating. Like I'm still trying to be fit on vacation, but I'm also going to indulge. I also had an omelet with an English muffin with some jelly and lots of fruit, and then I also had like this grilled tomato thing, which was pretty good too. And then I had a smidgen of a mimosa, you know, I had to have some bubbly and orange juice for the vitamin C. And of course, like I had like 3 drinks. I had the sparkling water, the mimosa, and then a caramel latte, which was low-key the best latte I've ever had in my entire life. I've had it 3 times yesterday, 1 time today, and I'm probably gonna have it more today as well. So I think I'm gonna stop on the balcony, but it might get muggy in the camera, so let's see if it gets muggy or not. Oh yeah, it got muggy immediately. That's crazy. It is very much muggy outside, but that's okay because I'm gonna go tan. So this is the bathing suit, super cute. Like I love a good colorful moment on vacation. I mean, who doesn't, you know? So what we're working with. This is me post breakfast. I had so much cake the other day, and I'm probably gonna have more today, but it's okay because we're on vacation. But we are gonna go to the gym. I should have a whole like posterior workout. I'll link that in the description below if you want to watch that, because I am staying fit on vacation and that workout was so good. So I'm definitely gonna try to work out today. Maybe just do like some cardio and abs, maybe a little bit of shoulders. We'll see. I'm gonna pack my bag really quick. Actually, I'm gonna put some water on because it's hot in Barbados. Oh my gosh, I just spilled that everywhere. This is what we're packing for the little pool beach day. I got these. Look, I know they're like $10 to $16, but I love them. I feel so cute with them. So wearing this. And I also got this from Sephora the other day. This is the Summer Fridays. This is in the shade Iced Coffee. 20 bucks. Like, who am I? And then I have the Black Girl sunscreen because my mom had packed the CeraVe sunscreen, and that made me look so white cast. And that one was like no bueno, but this really great, obviously, for the Black Girls. SPF 50 because the UV is like 7 right now, and I think it's gonna go up. So I'm probably gonna be in the shade for a little bit just because I don't want to get in danger. I got my sunnies. And then got some Skull Candy things. I left my AirPods in Virginia. I wasn't gonna buy a new one, so I got these for $15, and they're fine. Absolutely no noise cancellation. You can hear everything outside the world, but they're headphones, so it's fine. And then I'm just packing my journal because I am gonna do some journaling. Actually, I think I'm gonna do my gratitude journal before I go. Also the new book that I'm reading. I just got it. So that's what's going in my bag, so let's go lay at the pool. I love summertime. Love a good tan day, love a good pool day, love a good beach day. So let's just get into it. Beautiful day. I think we're gonna go to the beach later. Maybe. Alright. We're on our way to the pool bar to get some tacos. I've had these tacos twice now. They've been actually great. I've been at the pool for a little minute. I already got a tan. And I'm planning to go to the beach a little later. It's like you have to walk down that way to get to it, but it's like so gorgeous. Look at the water. Yeah, Probably gonna have some chicken tacos. I might try the shrimp, but the chicken was really good. So really something light for lunch. Okay, so I had a caramel latte. This is my second of the day and it's just lovely. I got this, they have like a 24-hour cafe downstairs in the, like this lounge lobby area, which is nice. And we just sat there for a little bit talking, chilling, and came back up here. Gotta go to the gym. I'm not gonna eat anything beforehand. This is enough. It's kind of like my pre-workout. I like rinse. I just rinsed myself off, freshened up a little bit because I am gonna shower and get ready for dinner. But this is the gym fit we got going on. It's actually full Gymshark. I don't know what these shorts are actually. I have them in red too. I got the Gymshark logo on the back, and then I actually have like the Gymshark bra on. And I actually really like this bra. I almost like never wear it, but it's super cute. I just got my socks on, I'll put on some shoes later. So yeah, I'm gonna give myself like an hour to work out, nothing crazy, cardio, shoulders, abs, so let's get into it. Alright, I'm all done with my workout, showered, and we're getting ready for dinner. Well, I'm already ready. We're about to leave for dinner. I got this dress from Fashion Nova. It's super cute. And I got this bracelet on that I got at Bridgetown the other day. It's super cute. It matches, and it's like has a little bear there. I have this similar one that I was wearing earlier, but that was in turquoise. And yeah, I'm super hungry after that workout. That's actually from the shoes. And that is the full fit. Yeah. Let's eat now. Dinner, I'm very much indulging, very much eating whatever I want because it's dinner time. So I have a Diet Coke and the bread, and then I just got this fruit. I got my fruit from the self-serve bar as my appetizer, but I also got another appetizer, a main, 2 salads, and then I'm gonna have dessert. I've never tried dragon fruit before though, so we'll try it together. It's okay. I've never had dragon fruit before. It doesn't taste like anything. This is a chicken lollipop. I don't know what a chicken lollipop is, but we're gonna try it. Here's the main. We got grilled chicken, nut butter sauce, asparagus, and some mac and cheese. Dessert. What is it? I don't know what it is, but it's like so rich and thick. It's normally served with vanilla ice cream, but today we have strawberry ice cream, which kind of doesn't make sense, but it's okay. One more cup. Nothing crazy.